Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 6. The algebraic identity a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Objective of this activity is to verify the algebraic identity a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. Then materials required for this activity: acrylic sheets, geometry box, adhesive or sellotape, cutter and scissors. Prerequisite knowledge: concept of cuboid and its volume, concept of cube and its volume. Theory behind this activity. So this is a cuboid having vertices, faces and edges. So this cuboid have length L, breadth B and height H units respectively. Properties of cuboid. In a cuboid, there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners or vertices. Opposite faces of a cuboid are equal or congruent and parallel. The line segment joining the opposite vertices of cuboid is called the diagonal of the cuboid. There are 4 diagonals in a cuboid which are of equal length. Volume of cuboid is LBH, where L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height. Then properties of a cube. In a cube, there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, same as cuboid. All the 6 faces of a cube are of congruent square faces. Each edge of a cube have the same length. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube cubic unit, where a is the side of the cube. So this figure shows a cube having side a unit and it shows its vertices, faces and edges. Then procedure. Make a cube of side A units and another cube of side B units by using acrylic sheets and sellotape or adhesive. Figure 1 represents a cube having dimension A unit. Figure 2 represents a cube having dimension B unit. Next, make a cuboid of dimensions B. That means this cuboid having length A unit, breadth A unit and height B unit using acrylic sheet and sellotape or adhesive. Figure 3 represents the cuboid having length A unit, breadth B unit and height A unit. Then make a cuboid of dimensions A, B, B. That means length is A unit, breadth is B unit, and height is B unit using acrylic sheet and sellotape or adhesive. Figure 4 represents a cuboid having length A unit, breadth B unit, and height is also B unit. Then arrange these cubes and cuboids as shown in figure 5. All the 4 solid figures are arranged as shown in figure.